Hey, welcome back to Quick Assist. In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn a photo into a PDF. It's quite simple. All we're gonna have to do is go ahead, take a picture of whatever you're trying to make into a PDF. So say it's this. Okay, so once I do that, then I just select that image. And when I select the image, I'm gonna go ahead and push share. From share, then we're gonna wanna go to print. Sometimes print is over here on one of these little buttons, but if it's not, then just scroll down and you'll see print. Okay, so from here, then all we have to do is use both fingers. And once we swipe, oh, let me get rid of this. Once we swipe, then it will become a PDF. It is now a PDF. And then from here, you can actually go ahead and share it. So if you're gonna email it, or you could save it to your own files, or you can copy it and put it into your Gmail or email account. And so, yep, that's pretty much it. Quite simple. A lot of people don't know this tool actually. So if this video helped, please consider liking or subscribing, commenting. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.